Welcome. If you've ever wanted to copy a message from a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, copying a message is easier than ever, and today I'll walk you through the step-by-step process so you can save or share any important chat in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click on Messages. This will take you to all your private conversations. Next, select the chat that contains the message you want to copy. Scroll through the conversation until you find the exact message you need. Here's where the new update comes in handy. Hover your mouse over the message you want to copy. As you do this, you'll notice 3 small dots appear next to the message. These dots are your gateway to more options. Click on the 3 dots. A menu will pop up, and you'll see an option that says Copy Message. Go ahead and click on it. Instantly, the text from that message is copied to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it, whether that's in an email, a document, or another chat. This new method is designed to be quick and user-friendly, saving you from the hassle of highlighting text or dealing with right-click menus that don't always work as expected. Now, sharing important information or saving key details from your chats is just a couple of clicks away. And that's it. To recap, open X in your browser, go to Messages, find your chat, hover over the message, click the 3 dots, and select Copy Message. It's that simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for making the most out of X. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.